Hey, I'm Tom Cavella with Windermere Real Estate. Today we're going to take a look at Murray Franklin's Norwood plan. This innovative home features a modern twist on a farmhouse design. From the moment you walk into the two-story entry, this home invites you to discover all of the entertaining spaces beyond. The chef's kitchen, with its floor-to-ceiling cabinets and walk-in pantry, opens into the beautiful family room with a large window wall that wraps the back of the house. The room is flooded with natural light and views of the backyard and covered patio. Head up the wide staircase to the large bonus room. Here, the vaulted ceilings and another wall of windows offer homeowners a great space to entertain guests or just enjoy a family movie night. One of my favorite things about this floor plan is the lavish master suite. The double door entry and vaulted ceiling gives a sense of spacious grandeur. Escape into the master bath, featuring a glass-enclosed, oversized shower, standalone soaking tub. This house is filled with incredible features, and we've only scratched the surface of what it has to offer. Visit our website if you'd like more information, or if you'd like to schedule a private tour with myself or one of our agents. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.